Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to do the memory trend on the TikTok. So right now it's very trending on the TikTok. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your TikTok mobile application. Once you will open it, you have to click on the record, then you have to upload your video, or you can simply shoot a new video. Choice is your. Once you will upload your video, click on the next. After that you have to click on the voice effects and swipe to the left and select echo from here, then go back. Once you will do it, now you have to click on the sounds and you have to add the memory trend sound. So I just add this music right now. Then you have to click on the volume and you have to select original sound to 200 and edit sound to 50. Then click on the done. Once you will do it, click on the next and upload it on the TikTok or other social media. So this is the trend and you can do it like this. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.